we will try to fix that last pending classes, that user certificate auto enrollment that we are facing, that we need to fix today practicals. Okay, let's power on the servers one by one.
Dada, you said that you will be showing some tickets. I told you on Monday that if you show some tickets, it will be helpful.
But until and unless I complete that part, how can I show that, right? Let me complete this, because it's the middle of this topic, right? ADCS. Definitely I will show you, but let me complete ADCS, ADFS. After that I will show you the running tickets, how it works.
No, you said that you will be showing some tickets regarding, I don't know, but you said that you will be showing some tickets.
Yes, that will do. I will create the repository and then I will show after complete this ADCS, ADFS. Okay, because total things are...
That will be too late. That will be too late. Actually, I wanted some idea about the tickets and all that. That's why I just wanted you to show some tickets.
Okay, fine. Let me come. At least I have to show you the user certificate today. Then I will, if you have a time, we will discuss. Okay, so let's go to the CS servers. What exactly the problem happened, let's find out. So here first we'll open our server manager. And let's check that certificate templates. Click on manage. We'll select user template. Duplicate templates. General domain user certificate, request handling, it's okay, cryptography, it's okay. So here I'll change the policy to 2048 into 2 4096 4096. That will be our key size. Key attrition. In security, we will add domain user. Okay, and domain user should have this allow all those stuff. I mean, not full control, at least have a enrollment certificate, enroll and auto enrollment. That must have to do this along with your ADCS. Here the option include email name and subject name, that you need to uncheck, because why I am going to uncheck? If it is checked options, if it is checked, then it while create the certificate, if the user don't have the mail, it will create fail. It will fail that options. So I am checking uncheck these options. Okay, unchecking all those parts. Only UPN is there. Okay, so after that, hi Vineet. Hello? Hello? All it's okay. Domain user is okay. ADCS account, all those stuff says, and fine. Let's click on apply and okay. Now what I need to do, I will create domain user certificate. I will publish that. After that, what I need to do, I will just stop service and start service. Okay. After that, go to DC. Now I'll go to GPMC. Auto enrollment, which I was created, that is for the
computer.
That is for the computers. Yes. Now this time we will create another enrollment for the users. So in that case, user enrollment, whatever it is, I'll just deleting this one. And create new one, user auto enrollment. Go to settings, edit, policy, window settings, security settings, software, not software, public key settings, software settings, no, not software settings. Yeah, public key settings, yeah. Here, auto enrollment. We have to make this enabled. Use these options. Apply. Okay. Only this thing we need to do. Okay. Now what I need to do, I will attach this policy to our domain. User auto enrollment in my domain. So any new users created, the certificate will be allocated him. Okay. Let's log on the system with users. Let's see. Because I have given the access on domain users.
I have a question. Can you go to once DC?
Sorry?
Can you go to the DC?
DC. Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Yeah. So you said we have applied this to the domain label, and you just drag and drop the user enrollment certificate on the domain. So because every time when the new user will come, it will get the certificate automatically, right?
Yes.
If we don't do this, then the only existing user, current user will get the certificate, but the new user will not get the certificate.
No, who will? All will get. After that, you need to run the
No.
GPR. All will get the
No,
certificate.
no. If we don't apply it on the domain level,
Oh, yeah.
keep it only the
Yes. Because every organization uses this certificate on domain level.
Yes, on the domain level. So every time if we don't do this, so every time whenever new user will come, it will not get the certificate.
So that is why you are applying on domain level, no?
Yes.
It will be
If
applied
we don't do this,
yeah, it will be applied for all the users. All these users will be applied. Clear?
Yeah, got it.
Let's log in with the ADCS account. Then what I need to do, I will run gp update /force. Okay, let's go to the MMC. Click on add new snapping certificate, computer, my user, finish. Okay. Click on personal. It is still not coming. See that? It's coming or not?
It displayed.
It's coming or not?
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's create another users. jsa.msc. New users. Onboarding. Let's say new username is Gloria.
The name that you have written is Glorial at the end.
Sorry?
Can you go back?
Yeah.
No, I'm talking about user. The name of a user you have entered. First name is Glorial.
Oh, Glorial. Okay, sorry. Okay.
Yes, I will rest.
Clear? Now what I need to do, Gloria is normal users. I am not giving any high privilege access. Now the laptop given to Gloria, once Gloria is logging the laptop, automatically certificate will be allocated for him. Let's log off. And then log in. Then as usual, Gloria, it's instructed that when you are joining the machine, when you are giving laptop and the first time you are giving to you, just connect the laptop to company networks and run the command gp update/force. It will be applying the policy, whatever the domain users policy created for the users, that all will be applied for this users only. Now you go to rsop.msc, go to property, see that user enrollment policy is applying to her. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
Now let's go to MMC. Add remove snapping, certificate, click on OK. It's on current user, right? See that certificate working or not. The certificate name is Gloria Paul, issued to Gloria Paul, and certificate was created, valid from 22 to 23, 1 year. This is called user certificate auto enrollment, like computer auto enrollment, like users auto enrollment. Clear? Now as I told, some tickets today, how much you have learned till now, I will show you 3 to 4 tickets how it works. Like first tickets, it's showing user request that user certificate not generating. User certificate not generating. What please fix the issue. The ticket come. Then what you need to tell? As an answer, you tell them kindly perform GP update force and then restart the systems and then check, go to MMC, select certificate users and check whether certificate generated or not. Please tell, no, I have updated all the stuff but still not working. Then what you need to do, you have to take the systems, your client system to remote. Okay, how you take remote? By using your organization tools. Either you can do MSRA or either you can do MSRA is very small tool. I am showing you.
MSC, PSC, right?
MSRA, MSTS it's a different, it's RDP. RDP will not work your client machine. You tell them to give them MSRA, okay? Or you tell them to connect system over Teams, whatever they possible. Then you take the client system and you have to do the troubleshooting. What troubleshooting? First you need to check that policy is applying to that machines or not. Latest antivirus is updated or not, because some organization they have a policy. If the antivirus is not updated, then domain policy, group policy will not be applied on these systems. That could be a very common issue. So firstly you have to check that client system user antivirus is updated or not. Okay, after that you need to restart the systems and check the policy is applying or not. Okay, check that systems DNS, whatever the DNS is given, which is currently ping or not. Let's say the client having one DNS that domain controller so far decommissioned. Okay, and that is the reason the system will not get the policy. So you have to give them proper current domain controller's IP address as a DNS. So this thing you need to check. Clear? Ticket number 1. Ticket number 2. It's telling that how to generate certificate signing request. I want to generate CSR for my system, but I am not able to do that. Actually, basically, he don't know how to generate CSR. So in that case, you take your client system over remote. Let's say this is your client system, and he want to generate CSR for his system. Then go to MMC. Anyhow, you have to take the client system over remote. Got my point? Clear? Either he will take you MSRA or MSTSC, or MSTSC will basically not work because you are from server to client, you will not be able to do MSTSC. Either you can take it via their own organizational tool. Anyhow you can take it. That is not a big deal. After take the remote, what you need to do? Go to your ticket number is that user wants to generate CSR for his computer. Then what you need to do? Go to files, add remove snapping, create certificate. After that, okay, now it is not possible because Gloria is not the single user. Okay, give her the domain admin access. Hold on. Because once you are working as the AD team, you must be a part of domain admin. Now you need to log off and then log in. Now you have already taken that user system over remote. Now what you are telling them, go to console, files, add remove snapping, certificate, add computer certificate. Okay. Now he is telling that he wants to generate CSR for his computer. The computer already have the CSR for what? Definitely through this CSR they want to create the certificate for the system. Let's delete this. They are asking CSR means definitely they want to create certificate for their computer. Now how to create? Why they need CSR? They need CSR. They can even directly create the certificate from console, but why they need CSR? Because CSR can be required to two cases. One is from auto enrollment through web portal, they want to generate the certificate through this, or else they need CSR for external certificate which they want to purchase from GoDaddy or Symantec or VeriSign or what to say, Komodo. So let's say I am showing you for this machine how will you create certificate, CSR. Right click, all task, advanced operation, and create custom request. Click on next. Click on next. So any one templates you can see it, just like auto enrollment computer, click on this, go to here, property. Now here in CSR basically certificate signing request. Again I'm telling you, what CSR? CSR is certificate signing request. Through this signing request you can create certificate. And basically CSR called CFA text. It's called CFA text, which is encrypted information about your certificate information. Let's say common name. What the common name you need to give, which is currently is your laptop name.
But why do we need CSR?
Huh? I told you.
Why do we need?
I told you sometime. CSR is basically they need if users not be able to generate certificate from auto enrollment due to some problem. So in that case, through portal you can generate certificate, or you are going to purchase external certificate for the servers, then you need CSR. Two cases you need CSR. Not every organization having that knowledge to go for auto enrollment. It's very rare. Okay. In case organization don't have auto enrollment enabled their system, they need CSR to create certificate from web portal, or else whenever you are going to procure the public certificate, then you need here. Got it?
Yeah.
So in that case, what is your computer name? Laptop. What is your IP? Domain laptop.ibm.com. Common name is laptop.ibm.com. Click on add. Okay. Now here site other information you put, countries IN. Okay. Now here you will give them locality MUM Mumbai. Based on that, apply OK, click on next. Now it is telling you which location you want to generate your CSR. So tell them I'll be generate from my system, my CSR. You can save it as .text. Okay. This is actually your CSR. How you know that my CSR is working or not? Click the copy, go to Google, CSR decoder. Paste it here. Sorry. It is not copying from the systems.
Maybe VMware tools are not installed.
Yes, exactly. Very good. Actually, after your entire Windows Server course, I will give you total 4 to 5 classes for total Active Directory tickets. Okay, but that is requirement is you need to know the entire complete Active Directory and Windows Server. Got my point? I mean,
actually, I wanted till now what we have done means the cases. I mean the issues which you get or we get usually on a daily basis. That I actually wanted to know and how to proceed with that. Actually, that I wanted to know because I don't have any experience.
yeah, that you can ask me separately because in these classes we have to complete the certificate, right? Because if we not complete that course on time, it will be a delay. Ticket definitely will come. It's not an issue. But if you need extra on things, you can request me another time. I can show you. Okay. Because in the time frame I have to complete the course, or else it will be delayed. It's a huge course, no? That is the problem. In certificates, we have one more remaining topics, that is certificate server migration. I mean from 2012 to 2016 or 2019, we'll migrate the certificate servers. Then ADFS. After ADFS complete, then WSAS. Once WSAS is okay, then here Windows entire course complete, then we'll show tickets one by one. Okay, no problem. So in certificate related, what are the tickets I face, I'll tell you today. Okay, now let's open the notepad, copy it and paste it here. Oh my god, shit, yeah. First I am copying it from my own laptop system, desktop notepad. From there I will paste it. Yes. Now you check that every information is correct or not. See that? Clear? The information is okay?
Yes.
Now based on
Yes.
the CSR, you can good to go and procure certificates. Okay. In that case, what you tell? You can directly log in to the web enrollment portal. What is your just a minute. What is your computer name, CS server name, host name? CA server -01. CA server -01. CA server -01 slash sat SRVR sat server sat SVR sorry, wrong URL. Actually it will be satsav. Yes. Now here I'll put Gloria P. If not possible, then use migration account ADCS. In that case, go to internet option, content, privacy, security, trusted site, add this. Okay. Copy, copy, internet option, security, trusted site, add. Okay. Now let's again open sort.
Rana, is it case sensitive?
Not so.
Because CA should be in capital. CA server in CA should be in capital.
No, that's okay. That's okay. That's not an issue.
Can we check it locally? On the server itself?
Definitely.
And then back on the.
I will check. Let me open it. I think it will be solved. Yes, hold on. Okay, that problem happened. Okay, let's go to the local servers. Sart localhost sart srv. That's opening from locally. So what is my server IP address? IP config 10.10.10.11. Okay. So I'll make it here https :/10.10.10.11, right? 11 slash sart srv. Sart srv. Yes. Now ADCS. Yeah. Now request certificate. Advanced certificate request. Submit certificate. Now here You will paste the CSR. You have to choose your certificate, uh, templates like Webo, like web server, whatever template you need. Select it accordingly. Create and go. Oh, internet option. Content, privacy, security, trusted site. Add this. CA server 0-1-01. Actually, he's not taking a zone, okay?
Whether it should be HTTPS, then
No,
it
no,
will
no.
take.
How come HTTPS? I have given any certificate that particular it is not works. Let's say any another DNS name I have created. Let's see. DNS mgmt.msc. CA server. CA server.
Add another name as well.
We have a one host entry CA server. Okay, let's do that. http://CA server/sart srv. Now add this to your security trusted zone. Already added. Perfect. Go to request certificate, advanced certificate request, submit certificate request, then you paste the CSR over there. Okay. Select any Webo or anything. Go to submit. The request was denied. The distribution was denied. Policy module, conflicting certificate, auto enrollment computer. Okay, Webo. Sorry. Select here.
User.
Okay. Auto enrollment computer. Yes. Yeah. Because auto enrollment is by domain policy. It is already applying. So that's why it is not allowing to do that. So through CSR, you can create certificate. Clear? Download certificate in base 64. There is a two format, DER encoded and base 64 encoded. So always choose base 64 encoded. So one ticket has completed. That user not be able to generate certificate from systems. How you can create certificate for him? So you take system over remote and create install certificate and local machine. Plate. Perfect. One ticket completed successfully. Now user already placed the certificate.
So to generate the certificate manually via a URL, so we need to perform all these steps.
Yes. CSR it's required. So basically CSR when it's required, whenever you are not be able to create manual certificate, then create CSR from that particular systems, and then based on the CSR you can create certificate from or certificate web enrollment. Here, got it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect. We have created one web server so far, right? Let's see that.
And to perform this operation, we need web server.
Web enrollment. Web enrollment is a feature while you are creating the certificate. Web server is different. Web server is application server. Now we have one web server, right? So far we have created for testing. That is our web servers. What is the site? Okay, this is my website. And now somewhere it was registered with the DNS. Let's see that 10, 10, 10, 13. What are the registered was there? Yes, www.ibm.com is my website, right? Now ticket come. Now one ticket come that we have a one website. The site is reachable in www. I want to access this site with online. Sorry, design. myplace at myplace.ibm.com. We want to access these websites instead of www. I mean www will be there. We want to access this website with myplace.ibm.com. This is ticket come. One ticket come that current existing website is www.ibm.com, but we want to access these websites myplace.ibm.com. Whenever this ticket will come, what is your actionable? Your actionable, you tell them first you need to browse that current websites. If you found that current website is it secure, I mean website is secure, then you tell them if you create a new if you access this website with other name, then you will not get the certificate because your certificate not know that new name. Then what you need to do? Then definitely application team will tell you no, we also need the certificate. Okay, then you again send back the ticket to them and tell them create complete tickets. So in this time they will create the ticket like we want to access current www website to myplace.ibm.com, and also we need the certificate as well. Clear? This is a very huge task. First task, what you need to do? Who can tell? What is my first task?
We need to create a CNAME record.
Exactly. First we need to create a CNAME record. CNAME record, my place, that's it. IBM.com automatically tell. Now I will point to whom? Which servers? My web servers? My web servers?
www.
No, www, yeah. You can yeah.
10.10.10.
Or web server 1, you can take web server 1 as per your choice. Got it? Perfect. So you have created one CNAME and which is pointing to your web server. Let's say access this website. After done this, you will test that myplace.ibm.com is accessing from another servers or not. Okay. So here it's off, but still it is asking. http://myplace.ibm. Did we give the correct name? My place, MIPLACE, right?
Should be myplace.ibm.com.
Sorry? Oh my god. Yeah, myplace.ibm.com, why it's not working? Does it mean NSLOOKUP not working? Let's do the NSLOOKUP.
And do it.
That's working, then why not it's working? The problem is a web server you have configured, you have removed the HTTPS connection. Go to initmgr. You already revoked the HTTP options. If you go to binding, it's only HTTPS. Click on add HTTP. Here, hostname is myplace.
MyPlace.
.ib. We need to stop it and you need to start it. It's launching. It's launching.
Yeah.
But now you tell them that site should be protected. In that case, what you do? Site should be protected. Once you have done this, they will come back to you. No, I need to secure the websites. So in that case, the current certificate you have to replace it. Got my point? Go to your servers, MMC, add remove snapping, certificate, computer account, fine. There is a start.ibm.com wildcard certificate placed. So definitely it will be works, right? So it will be works because you need to bind this to yourself. Got my point? So in that case, go to binding, select this one, edit. Okay. Do one thing, you need to remove this. Okay. Add this, select HTTPS, IP address, host name is myplace.ibm.com, and the certificate is same, wildcard certificate. Clear? Click on OK. After do the same things, stop and then start. After that, access the sites with HTTPS. It's working. Certificates.
Yes.
Clear? Okay. Next,
Yes.
third and last tickets, I'm telling you that we have a migration project very soon. We are going to migrate our CS server from 2012 to 2019. So kindly take the systems, kindly take the server backup. Okay. What type of backup? System state backup and CS server backup. Again, I'm telling you, we are going to migrate our CS server from 2012 to 2019. So kindly do the CA backup, CA server backup. Next, how to do that? Go to Server Manager, go to Tools, sorry, in CS server you have to log in.
You have this.
Sorry?
I thought you forgot recording.
I am telling you, you have a tickets. Kindly take your CS server registry backup and CS server backup. How will you take? It's a ticket. So go to Certification Authority, select your CS servers, all task, backup CA. Clear? Click on there, click on check all those tabs, browse, C drive, create one folders there, or do the desktop, yeah, create desktop, create folders, backup. Click on next. This need to be a password. So CS server backup has done successfully. These are your CS server backup. Clear? Make it one folders, put the themes and give it to your transformation team, those who requested for CS server backup. Clear? Now another ticket come. Kindly export the CS server registry files. Kindly export the CS server registry files. How will you do that? Because all the tickets I'm showing today, it's related to CS server. Okay, Gloria, is that clear to you? Hello? Gloria, are you there? Internet problem हुए हैं। Yeah, my voice audible?
Yes.
So the certificate server backup you have taken accordingly. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Another ticket, because today whatever the ticket I'll show you, it's related to certificate server. Clear? Another ticket, kindly keep the registry backup of the CS server. How will you do that? Kindly keep the registry backup of the CS server. Right click of it, run it, redirect, edit. So then you have asked one question to them, only CA related registry or entire registry? They answer you only CA related registry. So CA related registry will be there on HK local machine, systems, current control set, services, then we'll put start SVC, yeah, configuration. So you just save, export this registry setting and mention the name cert reg, certificate registry. So give that your registry file to your backup team. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
We are going to migrate our certificate. Another ticket come. We are going to migrate our CS server from 2012 to 2019. Kindly create one DNS record. Here, another ticket come. We are going to migrate our CS server from 2012 to 2016. So kindly create one DNS record. The DNS record means CS server 2019 @ibm.com. How you do that? Go to DNS, right click, host record. Here you have to do that. CA, what are the they are creating? Tell you CS server 2019. CS server 2019. IP address is 10 10, sorry, 10.10.10.
11.
Let's say maybe 15. Perfect. Then the last and final tickets, they told yes, new host record you have created, but reverse lookup entry is not working. That means server to IP is resolving, IP to server is not resolving. And that's what you do, Gopal. What
We create a PTR record.
How to create PTR record?
We can go in reverse lookup zone.
Yes.
Right click. New zone.
Next. M.
Next. No, wait. Yeah, right. Yeah, it will be primary zone.
Next.
Yes, next.
Next.
Yes. Next.
Yeah. What I need to do?
Now 15.
50.
I think we have to give opposite, right? 15.10.10.10.
What the IP address we given? 10 series, right?
Yeah, 10.10.10.15. Okay, it will automatically come.
Excellent. Excellent, Gopal. Extraordinary. Very good.
Yeah.
Guys, just give a big clap for him. Very good, very good.
Thank you. Yeah.
Now once it is done, create this record, check this update, click OK. It will automatically update his record. If it is still not updated, what you can do, delete this record and again go to here, new PTR record, again go to a record, CA server 2019 10.10.10.15, create associate PTR record, click on add host. Now PTR record was created successfully. Clear? See that. Excellent, Gopal. This is actually the outcome of learning. So that I tell everyone, if you not learn, you will not be able to understand. If you learn it, you will understand. Clear? Because in day-to-day ticket it's a huge, I cannot complete it by one day. Got my point? So whatever today we have discussed, it's related to ADCS. Next classes I will show you the migration, because migration activity prerequisite almost we done. We have created PTR record, we have take the backup, we have take the registry with the tickets name, all we have done. So the next week we will do the migration. Clear? Got it? Hello.
Hello.
Yes. So these are the things we have done for the ticket. related to CA servers, because in CA server it's huge. In CA server, basically it's huge. Not only CA server, I mean, if you are going to see the day-to-day tickets, no, it's a huge. I cannot complete it by one day. It will
And in Active Directory, like prior to its certificate, we have an Active Directory. In over there, like how means the tickets come, like how means what are the issues like it comes.
How many issues you need? Total 400 type of issues are there. 400 types of issue in Active Directory. How much I show you now? It's not possible to today all tell you. So whatever related to ADCS tickets, I show you today. Clear? Next week we will done the Active Directory CS server migration. So migration task, what we have done, it's already done. The prerequisite, we have taken the backup, we have taken the certificate, we have taken the registry, and our DNS record also created. The prerequisite task we have done. Next week we will do the Active Directory certificate server migration along with Active Directory migration. First we will migrate our Active Directory to 2019, then we will migrate our CS server. It's a giant activity. Okay, it's a huge activity. Active Directory migration, we will do it next week, and then we will migrate our CS server. Please do not, drop yourself. If you drop it, then you will miss the bigger opportunity. Anyhow, please join the class.
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much.
Okay guys, happy weekend. Let me save the files. How many days today?